welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if you're returning mini me, thank you so much for coming back. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you to everyone who watched my first video. Your support does not go unnoticed, so thank you so much. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and get started. We need whatever types of notebooks you want to use, some Crayola markers, construction paper, some scissors, 2 different types of glue, and whatever designs that you want to put on top. Okay guys, so for the first notebook I decided to go with unicorns, and so what I'm gonna do here is take the manila paper and measure out the size that I need. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a pencil and go ahead and trace the actual size of the notebook that I need, and then what I'm going to do is take some scissors and cut the excess pieces off that I don't need, and then I'm going to go ahead and glue the paper on top of the notebook. Okay, as you see, I already started cutting out the unicorn, but what I'm going to do is finish cutting her out, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and glue her on top of the manila paper where I want her to actually sit, and then from there I'm going to let her dry for a little bit. Alright guys, here's the finished look. I went ahead and made 3 more notebooks that were really personal to me. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you want to see more, go ahead and leave a comment at the bottom. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.